So we're trying out for the first time the new equipment that we got for Christmas from James and Matt. This is a pasta roller attached to our KitchenAid mixer, rolling out a new recipe for pasta dough using imported flour. The flour that you see in the video is actually just being used to dust the finished product. The flour in the dough itself is 00 flour from Italy. And here we're using the drying rack that they sent us and drying the sheets of pasta that have been rolled out. And then once they're rolled out and dried a bit, we're cutting them into pappardelle manually. So this involves just dusting them with a little bit more flour, rolling them up, and then cutting them with the knife. And the pasta was then made into pappardelle with a wild boar ragu. Unfortunately, we had no wild boar available, so it was made with pork. It was fantastic. So beautiful pappardelle there, and then one happy little boy who ate a big plate full of it. And he wasn't the only one. We all had big plates full of pasta, and we all loved it.